we are here at KubeCon Detroit. I'm here with my good friend Shivay. Shivay, how was the event for you?
The event is pretty nice. I would say that there is a very fine balance between new contributions being made by newcomers and projects updates that were also across the entire CNCF landscape. Those were really encouraging to see. So overall, I would say in totality, it's a really nice event.
Amazing. And we're talking to Shivay about all the machine learning updates here at KubeCon. So tell us a little bit more about it, like from all the talks you attended and the discussions you had. What are some of the big major announcements you saw in the field of AI and ML?
Definitely. So, of course, when it comes to ML within Kubernetes, we are mainly talking about MLOps. So there are a number of different new updates that were being made to MLOps. And of course, the entire MLOps landscape has improved. So with support for existing tools like Prometheus, getting more into the monitoring side of machine learning. And one of the biggest ones that we see is the growth of machine learning pipelines. So one of the biggest issues with data scientists is that when they're working with notebooks, there's no way to productionize or bring into the MLOps system. But there are a number of different projects, including Flight, Kubeflow, it's coming into the CNCF very soon. So all these are focused on building machine learning pipelines and integrating them with a lot of the other different tools within the CNCF landscape to make MLOps practices more easier and more accessible. So that is by far the biggest contributions. And of course, a lot of machine learning is now being applied for doing things like multi-cluster management and getting insights into how to make your Kubernetes distributions and infrastructure more and more flexible and better.
I saw some startups around there who are working on it, and also we have Kubeflow in the Civo marketplace, so you can check that out as well. And apart from that, any particular talks in the machine learning track would you recommend folks to check out?
Yes, so the entire Kubernetes AI Day, it's a co-located event. I'll definitely recommend you to check it out because that is completely focused on the advancements being made in machine learning MLOps and also from how machine learning is being applied today, as we discussed about all the efficiencies, efficient measures that are being placed to make Kubernetes deployments more better. Yes. So I'll definitely recommend to check out AI Day.
And this is your I know you've attended previous KubeCons. So, and if you're such an active contributor in the AI and ML community, what are some of the trends that you have seen?
So the biggest trend I would say is WebAssembly and machine learning on the edge, especially for IoT devices. So because we know that with edge devices, you have very less competition, right? So with the help of WebAssembly, you're able to do the machine learning inference on the edge, and especially running smaller clusters of Kubernetes like K3D, supporting those with machine learning and WebAssembly. Those are some of the trends that we are seeing a lot these days.
Amazing. And what are you looking forward to in the future?
Well, what I'm looking forward for, especially for Amsterdam, is growth in the field of MLOps and MLOps becoming more streamlined, and more companies and startups adopting MLOps practices in their day-to-day execution. As we see the more amount of adoption of machine learning in the daily DevOps practices for companies to grow and basically become more efficient, whether it's with cost or their infrastructure.
Yeah, thanks a lot for sharing.
Thank you so much.
Talking to you. If you want to learn more about AI and ML at KubeCon, check out the links in the description below. For more videos from KubeCon Detroit, check out Civo TV on YouTube.
Thank you.